Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.4, Problem 26. This is Section 3.4, Problem 26. It says, during a bad snowstorm, the snow falls at a rate of 1.3 inches per hour. If the storm lasts for 5 hours, what is the total snowfall? So what we want to do is multiply the rate of the snowfall, 1.3 inches per hour, times the number of hours that the storm lasts, so times 5 hours. You're getting 1.3 inches of snow every hour for 5 hours. So to multiply numbers with decimals like this, I prefer to write it in a vertical format. I like to have the number with more digits as the upper number. It doesn't matter though. So 5 times 3 is 15. For 15, write the 5, carry the 1. Now 5 times 1 is 5. 5 plus the 1 more that we carried is 6. I get an answer of 65, but I have to put a decimal in that. In the question, the number of places altogether after the decimal is 1. 5 doesn't have any place after the decimal, 1.3, one place. So my answer, one place after the decimal. So it's not really 65, it's 6.5. Now, because this problem involves units of measure, I have to really write the right units of measure in my answer. So it's not just 6.5, it would be 6.5 inches. So at the end of the storm, the snow is 6.5 inches deep.